Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to download and set up a citation manager to your computer to help you organize and cite information. So let's just jump in. You can choose any of these four, you don't need all of them. For Endnote, you'll start here and all of these links are going to be in the description, so you can just click right through. And of course the Mendeley link, Zotero, and then the link where you can set up your RefWorks account. So the first three, Endnote, Mendeley, and Zotero, are desktop apps. So they require a download to your computer. They all install just like any other download. So you'll choose the correct file. For Endnote, you'll select Endnote 20, which is the latest version, and select either the Windows or the Mac installer, depending on what kind of computer you have. And then once it downloads the file down here, you'll just click open and it'll walk you through the install process. With Mendeley, it's very similar. By default, Mendeley will pull up the download for the kind of computer you're on, and however it also has the other downloads available down here, so you'll just click that and then again it'll run the process as it would any other file and walk you through the download process step by step. And then the same goes for Zotero. It pulls up the one for your computer automatically, but again the other downloads are right below it. Now the thing to remember with these three is that in addition to the download, you'll also want to download the connector to your browser. So currently I'm using Google Chrome. You can set up these connectors in any browser you want though. So for Zotero, right next to the download link for your desktop application, you'll see the install Chrome connector, and you'll do that and it'll put this little icon up here, and that'll allow you to store articles from your browser to your Zotero desktop application. Now for Mendeley, once your Mendeley is all downloaded and you're in the Mendeley application, you can go up to Tools and hit Install Mendeley Web Importer, and that'll open a page where you can install the Get Web Importer. And then for Endnote, it's similar to Mendeley, where once Endnote is downloaded to your computer, you can go up to Tools here and install Endnote Click Browser extension, and then it will pull up the extension for Chrome and or whatever browser that you are currently in. And that is how to set up the three that you need to download. However, for RefWorks, it's an entirely cloud-based product, so you don't have to download anything. You can just log in or create an account. If you wanted to create an account, you can just enter your email address. For this one, you will also need to set up this little save to RefWorks thing. So for this one, to set that up, you're going to click on your name up here and go to Tools, and then you'll see the Install Save to RefWorks. Then it'll pull up this little screen, and you'll just take this little button and you can drag it to wherever you want it. And I have mine saved to the little shortcut row right up here, so it's very convenient. And as soon as you click on that, if you click on that when you're in, say, an article page, it will pull up this. And right now I'm not in an actual article, so it's not pulling up any titles or anything like that. But typically, if you were pulling up, say, this article here, and then you hit the Save to RefWorks, it'll pull up basically all of the information that you would have to cite, and you can just save directly to your RefWorks and hit Import. And then we'll close that, and we can go back to our RefWorks page and go to all references again, and then we have this article in here. So that is how to download and set up one of the 4 citation managers to help you with your reference citing.